Hi, my name is Romano Roth, and today we are going to talk about what is a community of practice. A community of practice, also known as CoP, is a group of people who share the same interest in a topic, be that on a technical side or on a business side. A community of practice has always a domain. The domain is where they want to share their knowledge. It is, for example, DevOps, Scrum, or a programming language. In this domain, they share the same practice, which is the knowledge and their experience. In DevOps, for example, continuous integration or continuous deployment. And of course, a community of practice without people wouldn't be a community. So a community of practice always consists of people. A community of practice has a core team which organizes these meetings. Community of practice regularly meets at a certain cadence together in the meeting room or nowadays virtual and discuss about their practices in their domain. Communities of practice, the goal of these communities of practice is to share the knowledge across the silos in an enterprise.